Let's continue with the questions, okay? Okay, let's start with you, Leo, okay? Leo, tell me, what can you do to improve your English? What can you do to improve your English?
Can you repeat, please, teacher?
Okay, what can you do to improve your English?
Practice.
I can't.
I can practice.
What else? Okay, you can practice what? Listening to music. You can practice watching on TV. Okay, so tell me more.
Practice. I can read a book.
Okay.
I watch movies in English.
I can watch movies in English.
And I listen music.
I can listen to music.
I can listen to music.
One more, okay, one more time. Tell me one more time.
I can listen to music.
Okay. Thank you so
Okay,
much. Okay, very good. Okay, hey Sarah. At what age can people drive in your country? At what age can people drive in your country?
In my country, people can drive at 18.
At 18 years old. Okay, good. Okay, this is good. Leo, can you say hello in other languages?
yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay, very good, very good. So tell me hello in other languages. Tell me hello in other languages. Dígame hola en otros lenguajes. Ajá. Ajá. Leo. Leo. Tell me hello in other languages.
Okay, teacher. In Alemán,
Okay.
hello.
Okay.
That's it.
You're in Alemán. In German, it is not Alemán, it's German.
German.
Yes,
Okay.
German. German. Okay, I can say aloha. Okay. Okay, anyway. Okay, guys, listen, right now we are going to, let me check. Okay. We are going to practice right now a board game, okay? We're going to practice a board game with you. Okay, so let me check here. I'm looking for a dice. Virtual dice. Okay, let's go. Okay, so as I told you, we're going to practice with a board game, okay? So let's check. So first it's gonna be for you, Hazel, okay? So right now we're going to start with you. Then we are going to go with, we're going to go with Emma, and at last, we're going to go with a, here you have. Okay, and then we're going to go with a Leo, okay? So let's start. Let's start with you, Hazel. Let's see. Okay, number 3. Okay, number 3. It says 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. It says, could you talk when you were 2 years old? Could you talk when you were 2 years old? Hazel?
Yes, I could.
Yes, I could.
Yes, I
One more
could.
time. Okay, very good. Yes, I could. Great. Okay. Next, let's go with, let me check, with Emma. Okay, Emma, number 5. It says number 5, 3. Okay, 3, okay, 4, 5. This one is number 5. Okay. Could you read when you were 5 years old? Could you read?
Yes, teacher, yes.
Yes, I could. One more time.
Yes, I could.
Very good. Great. So now we're going to answer. Yes, I could. No, I couldn't. Okay. Yes, I could. No, I couldn't. Leo, hello.
Hi, teacher. Sorry, es que se había ido la luz.
Don't worry, be happy. Okay, now let's go with you. We're going to see which number do you have. Which number you have. Okay, number 2. Okay. Number 2 says, could you swim when you were 5 years old?
No, I could, teacher.
Negative. No, I
Couldn't.
couldn't. Repeat after me. Couldn't.
Couldn't.
Okay, great, very good. Okay, next one. Okay, Hazel, number 1. Could you speak English well 4 years ago? Could you speak English well 4 years ago?
I couldn't speak English.
Okay, you couldn't.
Teacher.
Okay, good. I couldn't. Okay, very good. Now let's continue with Emma. Let's see what do you have. Okay, number 2. Let's check. Mr. Emma, you're wearing this part. 1, 2, go to 15 number. Okay, here. Could you climb trees when you were a child? Could you climb trees when you were a child? Emma? Emmanuel? Emmanuel, are you here? Okay, let's continue with you, Leo. Okay, number 3. Number 3, you're wearing number 2, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, tell me, could you read when you were 5 years old?
I couldn't read.
You could or couldn't?
I could.
Ah, okay, thank you so much. Yes, I could. No, I
Yes.
couldn't.
Could.
Okay, very
Okay.
good. Okay, now let's go with Hazel. Number 3. Wearing number 1, right? Okay, and here is number 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go with the number 4. Hazel, could you read when you were 5 years old?
Yes, I could, teacher.
Okay, thank you so much. Let's go with Emma. Okay, number 6, you were in 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, Emma, it says, could you go out alone when you were a child?
No, I couldn't.
Okay, no, I couldn't.
Couldn't.
Okay. Yes, in my case, I couldn't too, because I was a little girl. Okay, number 4. Leo, number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It says, could you draw when you, can you draw where when you were 7 years old?
No, I couldn't, teacher.
Okay, you couldn't. Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. Okay, number 6. Hazel, 1, 2, 3, 4, Could you make origami when you were a child?
No, I couldn't.
Okay, perfect. You couldn't. Great. Let's see, Emma. Okay, number three. Number three. Test. Okay, number three. 1, 2, 3. Could you learn poems when you were 2 years old? Could you learn poems when you were 2 years old? Emmanuel? Could you learn poems when you were 2 years old? Uh-huh.
Repeat me.
Okay. Could you learn poems when you were 2 years?
No, I couldn't.
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 Couldn't. Okay, Emma. Emma, se dice, can you repeat, please?
Can you repeat, please?
Okay, very good. No se dice, repeat me, please. No. Se dice, repeat, please. O, can you repeat, please?
Okay, okay.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much. Okay, next, let's continue with Leo. Okay, Leo, number 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, really? No. This one. Could you stand on one hand when you were a child? Could you stand on one hand when you were a child? Stand on one hand means that you do like cartwheels, like como volteretas. Sostenerse por una mano. O estar parado en una mano.
Okay. No, I couldn't.
You couldn't. Okay. Okay, very good. You couldn't. Okay, next one, Hazel. Okay, number 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, the same. Could you stand on one hand when you were a child?
No, I couldn't.
You couldn't. Okay. Okay, great. The last part, this is for Emma, and then Leo, and the last one, Hazel, okay? Okay, number 4. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, yeah, tell me. Could you role play when you were 6 years old? Could you role play? Role play means that it's similar like a skateboarding, like a skateboard. Could you role play when you were 6 years old? Patinar. Con patines. Emma. Could you role play when you were 5 years old? Sorry, 6 years old? Manuel? Emmanuel, are you here? Okay, Leo, let's go with you. Oh, just one. Okay, let's see. Okay, could you climb trees when you were a child? Could you climb trees when you were a child?
Me, teacher.
Yes, you?
No, I couldn't.
You couldn't.
Yes.
Okay, you couldn't. Okay, and the last one for Hazel. Okay, number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Could you eat many sweets, snacks when you were a child? Sweets, candies when you were a child?
Yes, I could.
Yes, you could. Okay, very good job. In my case, also I could. Yes, I would. Okay. Now, let's go with the presentation of Leo. Okay. Leo, let's go with your homework. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, today is 25, right? Okay, so Leo, are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, okay. Let me check. Okay, go.
Uh, the United States is bigger than El Salvador.
Okay,
The United States is colder than Mexico. City. New York is prettier than Houston.
prettier.
Pretty.
Is,
Arizona.
mhm.
Arizona is colder than Texas. Animals. An elephant is fatter than a lion. Snakes are prettier than monkeys.
Monkeys.
Monkeys. Actors. Marjorie de Souza is older than Paulina Goto. William Levy is stronger than Andres Cepeda.
Okay,
Singer. Mia Baile is better than Tini. Bad Bunny is taller than Ozuna.
okay,
Famous people. Jennifer Lopez is more boring than Lady Gaga. The Rock is stronger than Toretto.
okay. The Rock. Mhm.
Yes. Sports. Leo Messi is smaller than Cristiano Ronaldo. Neymar is faster than Eden Hazard. Hobbies. Watching TV is more boring than playing soccer. Playing soccer is healthier than watching TV. Cars. The car is faster than the motorcycle. Driving a motorcycle is more dangerous than driving a car.
Okay,
TV. The Simpsons are funnier than Ted Bear. Dragon Ball Z is better than Naruto.
Okay, Dragon Ball Z, English, Dragon Ball
Dragon Ball.
Z.
Dragon Ball Z.
Okay.
Movies. Demon Slayer is better than Resident Evil. Resident Evil is more dangerous than Fast and Furious.
Okay.
Music. Music in English is more relaxing than music in Spanish. The music in Spanish is worse than music in English.
Boring. More boring.
More boring. That's it, teacher.
Okay. Very good job. Thank you so much, guys. Very good. Great. Okay, now guys, listen. We are going to practice. Okay, we are going to practice right now a quiz. Okay, a quiz. So focus and pay attention. Then you have to tell me the corresponding answer. Okay. Let's check. Okay, can you see the screen? Can you see the video? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let me check. Okay, yes. Let's start. Can and could.
Question number 1.
Okay, it says, I know how to speak English and German. I speak 2 languages. A, can't. B, can. C, could. Which one do you think it's the correct one?
Can.
B.
Letter?
B.
Okay, Hazel says letter B. Okay, what about you, Emmanuel? Okay, Leo, what do you think is the correct one?
Letter B, two, teacher.
Letter B, 2. Okay, now tell me why is letter B and why you didn't select can't and could. ¿Por qué no la letra A y la letra C? ¿Por qué me dijeron la letra B? Why? Ajá.
Because he can speak 2 languages, English and German.
Ah, okay, because the sentence is about knowing, speaking English and German, right? Okay, very good. In this case is, in this case is letter B.
I know how to speak English and German. I can speak 2 languages.
Question number 2.
Okay, it says, can he swim? Yes, he can, could, or can't. Which one?
Letter A.
Letter. Okay, letter A. Okay, Hazel says letter A. What about you, Leo?
Letter A, teacher.
Letter A too. Okay, why letter A? Why letter B? Why not letter B or letter C?
Because he can swim.
Yeah, but why? Because it says, can he swim? Yes, he. Can I say yes, he could? Can I say yes, he can't? Uh-huh.
Could is pasado.
It's in the
Can is
past.
the
Yes,
past.
could is in past, but can I use could? Yes, I could in this sentence. ¿Puedo usar could en esta pregunta, en esta respuesta?
No,
No.
teacher.
Why not?
Because the sentence is in present.
Thank you so much. That's what I need to hear. Eso es lo que yo necesito escuchar. Okay. Yes, because the sentence is in the present. Okay, not a sentence, the question, okay? Because the question is in the present. That's the question is in the present. That's why, por ese motivo, por eso, that's why we use can't in affirmative. Lo ponemos en afirmativo, okay? Why? Because first of all, here it says yes, and yes is affirmative expression. We don't say sí. Sí, yo no. Okay, I mean, we don't say that, even in Spanish, right? En español lo decimos varias veces, but it's not the correct way to say that, okay? So in this case, is letter A.
Letter A.
Very good. Okay.
Can he swim? Yes, he can.
Question number 3.
It says, I don't know where to park my car. Where my car? Okay, I don't know where to park my car. Where my car? Letter A, can park. B, I can park. C, can I park? A, B, or C?
Letter B, teacher.
Letter B. Okay, you say letter B. Okay, Hazel. Which do you consider is the correct one? A, B, or C? Or C, or C?
Letter B.
The letter B. Okay. Okay, letter A is not the correct one. Why not? Because we need a pronoun or we need a subject, right? In this case, if I say just where can park my car, we don't know who is talking about, okay? Who is talking in that case? Letter B, where I can park my car. Why? ¿Por qué es la correcta? Why I can park is the correct one? Why you didn't select can I park? Ajá. ¿Por qué? Why letter B instead of letter C? ¿Por qué la B en lugar de la C? Tell me. Ajá, students. Okay, guys, in this case, it's not letter B. It's letter C. But why it's letter C? ¿Por qué es la letra C? Ajá. Can you give me an opinion about that? Can you give an opinion about that? Hazel? Leo?
I don't know, teacher.
You don't know? Okay, now I'm gonna give you a clue. I'm going to give you a clue. Okay, first it says, I don't know where to park my car. This is a sentence in affirmative or in negative. The first one.
Negative.
Thank you. It's in negative. It's a negative sentence. And what about the last part? Where my car is a sentence or is a question? It's a question.
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 Very good. It's a question. And what happened when you ask something? Do we use subject pronouns at the beginning? Or do we use the auxiliary verb at the beginning? What happened when you ask about something or about someone? ¿Qué pasa cuando usted hace preguntas? What happened when you do questions, when you ask for something? What goes at the beginning of a question, guys?
Auxiliary.
Thank you so much. At the beginning of a question, we use an auxiliary verb, or in this case, we use a modal verb, or we used a WH question. Okay, very good. What goes then? ¿Qué va después?
Where to be.
Depende. Not always use the verb to be. Okay,
Subject
guys.
pronoun.
Exactly, thank you so much. The subject pronouns or the subject noun. Okay. Can I say I do play soccer? Is correct to say I do play soccer? ¿Es correcto decir eso?
No, teacher.
No, teacher.
No, and what is the good way to say that, to ask for that? ¿Cuál es la forma correcta?
Do you
I-
play soccer?
Very good. Do you play soccer or do I play soccer? Very good. So in this case, which one is the correct one? B or C?
Sí,